Is your hair feeling thirsty for some love? Hi, my name is Katie and you're watching AFI's DIYs. In today's episode, we'll be making a healing, hydrating hair smoothie. This blend of nourishing ingredients is easy and fun to make, so let's get into it. In a microwave-safe bowl, add in all of the solid ingredients. This includes cocoa butter, shea butter, emulsifying wax, and stearic acid. Place the bowl into the microwave for 30-second intervals until all of the solids have melted. Once everything has been liquefied, add in the avocado oil, jojoba oil, and castor oil. Now let's set that aside and prep our water. Make sure it's in a microwave-safe container and pop it in for a minute. Remove the water from the microwave and stir in the vitamin B5 powder and the silk amino acids. It's okay if they don't completely dissolve, just be sure the majority has incorporated into the water. Next, it's time to pour in the water into the melted oil ingredients. Grab your immersion blender and blend everything together until it becomes completely emulsified in a creamy color. Finally, it's time for our last ingredients. Let the mixture cool down to 125 degrees Fahrenheit or below and stir in the polysorbate 80, vitamin E oil, preservative, and fragrance. The preservative I'm using is German 2, and the fragrance I chose is Love Potion Scent, which I'm obsessed with. Our very last step is to fill the packaging containers of choice. I went with a simple pump nozzle that will easily dispense the product. Carefully fill each bottle using a funnel if you need for an easier pour. This product is especially suited for those with curls or dry frizzy hair, but just about anyone can benefit from the healing nature of a hair smoothie. Apply to the mids and ends of dry or damp hair and see how much of nourishing ingredients can make a difference. Each 8-ounce bottle costs us about $2 to fill, meaning that can be sold wholesale for $4 to $6 and in retail for $8 to $12 depending on the fragrance and additives you use. Pair this with any of our other hair care products we've made here in the DIY lab by heading over to our channel and checking out our do-it-yourself playlist. We hope this tutorial taught you how to make something new. Be sure to show off your fragrance goods by tagging us on any of our socials linked down in the description box below. Comment what you'd like to see us make next and we'll get right on it. As always, thanks so much for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now!